Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. We're gonna do unbox of NGC. I pre-open it to check everything's fine inside, and take a lot of time to open up sometimes. And of course it wanna damage those coins. All those coins in here, it's a kit dates or para dates from Morgan Silver dollars. Many of them I expect details on it, clean damage, but it's still worth to certify because it's a lot of stuff in here. It's really hard to find it. Actually, I have two boxes, so stay tuned for the next one. Next one is even better than this one. Okay, so let me open for you. And let's start it. The good news, everything is being certified. And the first one, it's a kit date, 1893 Carson City. Verifying details, being cleaned. But 1893 CC, they struck only 677,000 coins. It is one of those kit dates from Morgan Dollar. It is a beautiful coin. Kit dates of 677,000. The next one is another details. Low condition, low cleaned, 1893 O Carson City. Sorry, 1893 O Morgan. The mintage even lower. The mintage are 300,000 only. 1893 O. Another coin, it's a beautiful 1894 plain Morgan dollar. AU 55. 1894, it's extremely rare. It's a beautiful kit date. The mintage is only 110,000. And that it's AU 55 with mintage of 110,000 coins. The next one is 1894 S. Everybody knows 90s, Morgan dollars between 90s is hard to find. Some dates is still expensive. And that's uncirculated 1894 S, MS62. The mintage over a million, it's 1.2 per million, but in high grade, the price jump extremely fast. It's a beautiful patina, little tone around the rim. 1894 S. The next one is 1895 O. AU 53. 1895 O, the mintage are 450,000 only. It's a kit date, really hard to find it. And to find straight numbers is tough. And this is almost uncirculated. It's AU 53. mintage of 450,000 coins. The next one is a kit tape 1899 Brain, Philadelphia, uncirculated details. 1899, the mintage is only 330,000 coins. It's really low mintage. It's uncirculated coin, unfortunately, it's a clean, but the price is high. The price jump really fast. It's a 330,000 coins struck only. The next coin is on 1900s. This is 1902 San Francisco. AU details, cleaned. 1902 S. The mintage is about 1.5 million. It's over a million strike, but those coins, they melt a lot though. The survival rate is really low for most of those mortgages. And this one is a nice example of 1902 San Francisco. The next one is 1903 O, uncirculated details. Up first scratch, you can see on the facing there towards the neck. Unfortunately, it is a little scratch, but her force is a beautiful with nice luster toned. The 1903 O, the mintage is over 4 million. The survival rate is extremely low. That's why these coins, the price jump really high, really fast. In this box, the next one, it's the next and last, 1903S. In very fine details. 1903S, the mintage is around 1.2 million. Once again, it's a beautiful coin. The price is high if you compare to common dates. And that's all I have for today. For right now, I can open another box. Stay tuned for another video with all those cards and series and the key dates. Thanks for watching and see you soon.